Before testing in a room, there are 4 things you want to do. Number 1, check the date on the plate. They do expire and should not be used past their expiration. Number 2, create air disturbance in the room you are testing. This could mean turning on a ceiling fan or just fluffing pillows. Number 3, test the humidity with a hygrometer. Note the results on the test plate or a piece of paper. If it is over 50%, the air is going to be too heavy to get much of an air sample. This could show a false negative when air testing on a plate. Number 4, prepare the room by turning off air purifiers. They're designed to filter mold spores out of the air, so it will influence your results. Close the doors and windows in the room you're testing, and run your air conditioner or heat so it is circulating during the test period. If you have more questions, visit us at microbalancehealthproducts.com or leave them for us in the comments.